Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to new video where I'm going to continue on the idea of the global variables, because it's, well, quite frankly, it's the most viewed video on the channel, so I thought I will give you even I would say better way to do this, which is the way I actually use it in the projects. And in this way we are not going to use just variables and use just global variables as single variables, but we are going to create an app data object, which is kind of my way of doing this. So okay, let's go for it. Just in a lib we are going to create new folder. I like to create folder services or something like that, just to have some structure in the project. When it's going to get bigger, you need to be able to orient yourself in these things. Create new file, and this is going to be app data .dart, and here we are going to create the class called app data. Now this is not just as simple as I would put stuff in it like variables and call it a day. We are going to create some declarations for it to work as we want to. So first off, we're going to do static final data, which is going to be new app data internal. I think it should be, yeah, internal, but not like this. Internal. Then we need to go create factory app data, which is going to return the app data. I'm going to do the camel. Why doesn't it do the camel case here? Yeah, good. Return app data. Yes. And app data underscore internal. Boom, boom. And then we are going to create a final app data. I'm stupid. I'm still stupid and I can't write. Yeah. Okay, and by this we basically created a app data class, which is going to be accessible from anywhere in the code, and we will be able to use data from it. And if you want to, okay, now let's add some variables to it. I think that the easiest ones probably is going to be when I'm going to go with some bool, and just bool test, which is going to be false in the beginning. And we are going to do, we are going to create 2 more pages just to test this out. So you're going folder pages, and we're going to do page 1 dart, and this is going to be state for widget, which is going to be page 1. Good. We are going to have to include material app. Nice, great. We are going to be obviously returning a scaffold with app bar. We don't really need anything in the app bar, we just need it for the automatic back button, and then body, which is going to be a center with, let's give it a text here. And this is going to be the app data, which we now can use from anywhere. And actually, let's not do the bool, let's do the string, which is going to be empty, or just 3 dashes from the beginning. So this is going to be app data test. Good. And now we are going to duplicate this. It's going to be the page 2. Now we have a page 2, and this is not going to have a text, it's going to have a text box. Now, text field that we're going to have here. We are going to do initial val. Wait, what's the initial? Oh yeah, no, I want to add the initial value to be the value of the actual thing there. So we are going to have to create text editing controller. I I usually call econt, which is going to be new text editing controller. Yeah, that's about it. And now we're going to go init state, and econt.text is going to be appdata.test. That's it. And now we are going to do on submitted, which is going to be value to, I want it like this, I want it like this. And basically here we are going to do appdata.test equals value. And now we just need 2 buttons on this page. So we are going to create elevated button, which is going to create a route to the first page. So this is going to be text with page 1 on display, and the second one is going to be the edit, because we have 1 page for displaying and 1 page for editing. And now we need navigator. No, we need navigator dot push context. I like to use Cupertino page root, and this is going to be the builder, and we are going to use page 1, and here we are going to use page 2. Let's build it. For those who are maybe wondering, I'm using Cupertino road because of the animation, which I'm sure it can be modified in the material road, but this one has it like just out of the box the way I want it, and because it allows, which I'm not sure if it's allowed in the material page, but in Cupertino page you totally can just go back by the right swipe, which is what I want. Okay, so here we have it ready. So if I go to the display, there are the 3 dashes. If I go to edit, we have this ugly looking text box, which I'm not gonna do anything about. But the problem is that we don't have the text here, which I'm sure basically know why is it like that. So you know what, while we edit, let's edit the padding so it kind of looks somewhat presentable. Okay, we have a padding, so yeah, here. Oh, here, padding, edge, instance dot all 30, whatever. Yeah, see, good. And we are going to do this and set state. Nice. Still not working. Why is it? Oh yeah, I know why. Oh my god, no, this wasn't the mistake. I'm a blithering idiot. You just have to... No, sorry, no. Controller. Yeah, that might be much better. Yes, now it's working. So if I'm gonna do like this is right, and press enter to submit it, we can go back, display, and we have it here. So yeah, this is basically how you can use global variables in a class, just to make it, you know, look better and be better useful, so you don't really access it via like the single variables, but you just go with the app data in, and you can just literally do anything here. To be told, this is not going to save. These are just a session data. So if you want to know how to save stuff between the sessions, you can either use a database for your app, which is explained in the to-do app tutorial, which I also might redo at some point, since I started to do commentary on the videos. Or you can use shared preferences, which I might also do a video on, probably the next one. That would be like nice going on with this. So yeah, you can combine this and shared preferences, which in my opinion is really good way to do stuff. So we might do that in the next video. Okay, thank you. Consider subscribing, leaving a like, commenting if you need to help with something. And yeah, see you in the next one.